Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Out of the garage comes the fire truck. Look at its ladder. It's all rusty. The truck needs to go to the repair shop. Can you see the repair shop sign? It's on the right. It's got a blue wrench on it. The fire engine is turning to the right. And here is the repair shop itself. The door is opening. In you go. The fire engine has come for an inspection. Let's check the wheels. They're turning side to side and round and round. And on the other side, also fine. The wheels are all in order. The flashing lights are blinking. The compartment door opens. The water cannon is in place. The mirror is dirty. Let's wash it. Oh no, the ladder isn't working. It's barely turning. And it won't extend. Car mechanic. We need to lubricate the ladder with machine oil. The mechanic's robot arm is taking the oil and lubricating the ladder. Let's check. A bit more. A bit more. And now it goes up and down. The ladder even extends. Thanks for your help. The fire truck has passed the inspection and can go off to work. Who needs help?
Urgent call. The fire truck is needed at the fun fair. A puppy has got stuck on the Ferris wheel.
The fire truck is coming as fast as it can. And here's the puppy. It can't get down. The Ferris wheel is broken. The fire truck is raising its ladder. Jump on, puppy. You're safe now. You can have another go when they've repaired the Ferris wheel. Out of the garage come the pickup and the crane. The pickup has a gear wheel in its container. The helper cars are going to repair the fun fair ride. You're in position. Crane, get out the new gear wheel. Attach it to the motor. The Ferris wheel is working again. Great work, helper cars.